Good morning, students of 4B. Today we are going to study the unit number 5 that is about the community helpers. And this one is the reading class that corresponds to week number 11. In this case, we are going to develop the exercises of your workbook, okay, but of the unit number 5. Remember, the last class, we studied the vocabulary, we read the passage, and we developed the reading comprehension exercises. But in this case, we put in practice all of the things that you learned, and today we develop the exercises. Okay, let's see. Let's start. First one. This one is the community helpers. We develop the vocabulary practice, and in this exercise A, we write the correct words for the definitions. And we have 6 words in this case. We have put out, uniform, ladder, protect, host, and visit. Okay, we have the word, we have the definitions. For example, in number 1, the same clothes worn by a group. What is this word? In this case is uniform. Okay, what is the definition of uniform? The same clothes worn by a group. For example, you, when you go to school, you wear a uniform, yeah? Okay, pants, a t-shirt. In the case of the girl, a tie, the skirt, a blouse, and this one is your school uniform. Okay, number 2, a long tube that water goes through. Okay, we use this one when we water the garden, the plants, the flowers, the grass, etc. So this one is hose. This one is an object that is long and is used for watering the garden. Next one. Okay, to keep safe. This one is an action that's mean to protect. For example, your parents, okay, protect to you, okay? Or maybe your parents keep safe, yes? Okay, number 4, to stop a fire. This one is an action, and it's an action developing specifically for firefighters. So in this case is, okay, let me see, what is the action? This one is put out. Okay, we have a little mistake here, but remember these two words are joined, are together. So put out is to stop a fire. Okay, a thing for climbing up high. What is this one? This one is a ladder. Okay, Ladder. Ladder. A thing for climbing up high. Okay, next, visit, to go somewhere to spend time with someone. Okay, when you visit your grandparents, when you visit your friends, when you visit, let me see, your relatives. Okay, to travel to another place. Okay, to visit or to spend time with other person. This one is visit, to go somewhere to spend time with someone. Okay, this one is the exercise A, and we check the answers again. Number 1, uniform. Number 2, hose. Number 3, protect. Number 4, put out. Number 5, ladder. And number 6, visit. Okay. Next, the part B. In this case, we complete the sentences with the words, okay, that you have here. You have 4 words. You have fire, trash, elderly, and imagine, okay? In the case of number 1, helping, this one is elderly people is good, okay? That's mean that old people, as our grandmother, grandfather, okay? All of them are elderly people. So number 1, helping elderly people is good. Okay. Number 2, be careful around the hot fire. For example, when your mother is cooking, okay, she can say this one, okay, be careful around the hot fire, okay, because she protects you, okay, be careful around the hot fire. Number 3, the kids like to imagine they're in a space. Okay, it's this one. Okay, when you imagine that you travel to another country, but in this case, when you imagine to travel in a space, okay, in a rocket, yeah, the kids like to imagine they're in a space. Number 4, my mom told me to take out the trash. In this case, my mom told me to take out the trash. It's similar to take out the garbage, okay? These two words are synonyms. My mom told me to take out the trash. Okay, and in the picture we have different community helpers. For example, we have a doctor, a firefighter, a vet. Okay, we have a carpenter. Also, let me see, a hairdresser. Okay, we have a chef, etc. Yeah, these one are the community helpers that we have in our community. Okay, let's continue. Now the sentence practice. This one is match the sentence parts and write the sentences. Okay, first one we match in this exercise, and then we write in the lines that you have. Okay, number 1. That is why each community, and we match, what is the option? Has helpers. Okay, that is why each community has helpers. This one is the correct option. Number 2, they use ladder and hoses. Okay, that's mean they talk about the firefighters, because the firefighters use ladders and hoses to put out fires. Number 3, they protect firefighters from fires. Okay, in this sentence we talk about the uniforms, because the uniforms that they wear protects, okay, from fires. And the last one, number 4, they also help people find jobs. In this case, we talk about the social workers, yeah, because they also help people to find job, let me see, to take care of elderly people, etc. These one are the different activities that they develop. They also help people find jobs. Okay, and right now we match the sentences and we write in the space that we have. Okay, the second part of the sentence practice. Now we write, number 1, that is why each community has helpers. Yes? Okay, remember to put in practice the cursive letter, to write with blue or black pen, to use the correct capitalization and punctuation. Okay, remember in this case the first letter is in capital, and at the end of the sentence we put a punctuation that in this case is a period. Yeah, because this one is a declarative sentence, so we use all of these roles. Okay, number 1, that is why each community has helpers. Yes. Okay, number 2, they use ladders and hoses. Okay, so they use ladders and hoses. One more time, write the first letter in capital letters, and at the end of the sentence we write the correct punctuation, that is a period. Yeah, and try to practice the cursive letter, a legible cursive letter, because then I check your activity and I need to see your good letter. Okay, number 3, they protect firefighters from fires. Okay, they protect firefighters from fires. We talk about the uniforms. Yes. Okay, number 4, they also help people find jobs. Okay, they also help people find jobs. Okay, I know that first one we match and then we write in this part. Yeah, because it is necessary to develop the two exercise. Yes, to develop the sentence practice, first one we match and then we write. Yeah, it's better. Why? Because you let me see, memorize better the meaning of the words, or maybe the use of the words, and you need to differentiate, okay, what is the order of the sentences. Okay, now let's pass to the next exercise, and in this case we unscramble the sentences. Yes. Okay, remember we have to order in the correct form, because the sentence needs to be coherent, and in this case we need to unscramble. Okay, we have their communities, many important, they do, jobs in, and period. Okay, remember, first one we identify the subject, then we identify the action, and then we write the complement of the sentence. And in this case, what is the first part? They do. Okay, they do. We talk about a group of persons. They. What is the action? Do. Okay, what they do? Many important. Okay, here we have a little mistake, so you have to write they do. You leave a space and then you write the next word, and in this case it's many. They do many important, okay, jobs in their communities. Yeah, this one is the correct sentence. They do many important jobs in their communities. Yeah, so I give you some minutes for writing in the correct form in the lines that you have under the group of words that we unscramble. Okay, they do many important jobs in their communities. Yes. Okay, one more time. You have to write in cursive letter with blue or black pen. This one is important. Yes. Okay. Number 2, we have put out fires, hard to, firefighters work, and at the end, period. Okay, put out fires, hard to, firefighters work. What is the correct order? Okay, firefighters work. Okay, we talk about this person that put out fires. Firefighters work hard to, okay, put out fires. This one is the correct order of the words. Firefighters work hard to put out fires. Yes? Firefighters worked hard to put out fires. And at the end of the sentence, you have to write the punctuation that in this case is period. Yeah, and remember, write with capital letter the first letter of the word. Yes, because this one is the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Number 3, working in and wind, they keep rain and snow. Okay, what is the order of the sentence? In this case is they keep working in rain, snow, and wind. Okay, they keep working in rain, snow, and wind. Okay, we talk about the street cleaners because they clean the streets when it is raining, when it is snowing, okay, and when it is windy. So let's see, we talk about the street cleaners. They keep working in rain, snow, and wind. This is number 3. This one is the correct order. Okay, remember you have to write in the line that is with number 3. Number 4, be dangerous, visit them that can, so social workers. Okay, what is the correct order of the sentence? That can be dangerous, comma, so social workers visit them. That can be dangerous, so social workers visit them. This one is the correct order, okay? That can be dangerous, comma. So social workers visit them. Yeah, this one is a special assignment, okay, for this kind of community helpers. That can be dangerous, so social workers visit them. Now, number 5, any helpers can you community without? Imagine your, okay, this one is an interrogative sentence. So let's start with a modal, okay, because this one is a question. Can you, okay, can you imagine your community without any helpers? Can you imagine your community without any helpers? Okay, so remember, first one the capital letter, and at the end of the sentence the question mark, because this one is an interrogative sentence. Can you imagine your community without any helpers? Okay, no, it's not possible. I can't imagine. Why? Because we need the work of all these people. Yeah. We need the street cleaner, the firefighter, the police officer, the doctor, the nurses, the soldiers, okay, the president. We need all these community helpers. Can you imagine your community without any helpers? Okay, so let's see. And now we finish the class. Thank you for your participation in class. Okay, see you in the next week, and God bless you, all of you. Thank you very much for being here.